Pour boiling water over 8 cups of freshly chopped dandelion leaves. And let them sit for 3 minutes. And then give your greens a drain. Then take half your greens, nicely drained, and put them in the bottom of an oven-safe baking dish. Sprinkle on half a cup of cheddar and a bit of salt and pepper. And I'm throwing in some chives today because I had some popping up in my garden. Then add the rest of your greens on top. Then we grab a skillet and put in 3 tablespoons of butter to melt. And when that's done, coat about 3/4 of a cup of panko. I'm using some seasoned panko, but you can also use plain. And finally, we top with our nicely buttered panko crumbs. Then bake at 350 degrees for 45 minutes or until golden brown.